delve into the chronicles of aviation history as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about the Wright brothers. A simple toss of a coin, a seemingly insignificant act, would shape the course of aviation history. In a moment of sibling rivalry, Wilbur Wright, the elder brother, emerged victorious. The prize? The honor of making the first attempt at powered flight. However, fate had a different plan. It was Orville, the younger brother, who would ultimately etch his name in the annals of history. This seemingly everyday act, a coin toss, set the stage for one of the most significant moments in human history. The Wright brothers' groundbreaking achievement marked the dawn of a new era, forever altering the way we perceive the world and our place in it. As young boys, the Wright brothers were captivated by the magic of flight. A simple toy helicopter, with its whirring blades and controlled ascent, ignited a spark of curiosity within them. This early fascination with the principles of aerodynamics would shape the course of their lives. The thrill of watching a mechanical device defy gravity left an indelible mark on their imaginations, planting the seeds of a lifelong dream. It was this childhood fascination that would ultimately lead them to the skies and revolutionize the world. While formal education may not have been their primary focus, the Wright brothers were self-taught pioneers who possessed an insatiable curiosity. They devoured books on mechanics, aerodynamics, and engineering, transforming their minds into knowledge powerhouses. Their thirst for knowledge was matched only by their relentless pursuit of innovation. Through countless hours of experimentation and trial and error, the Wright brothers pushed the boundaries of human ingenuity. They were not afraid to fail, and each setback only fueled their determination to succeed. Their innovative spirit, combined with their relentless pursuit of knowledge, propelled them to the forefront of aviation history. The Wright brothers' journey to the skies began in a rather unconventional way: the world of printing. Their entrepreneurial spirit and mechanical aptitude led them to establish a successful bicycle repair and sales shop. This venture not only provided them with a steady income, but also honed their skills in mechanics and engineering. The profits generated from their bicycle business served as the financial backbone for their audacious dream of flight. The bicycle shop became the launchpad for their aviation experiments, providing them with the necessary resources to pursue their passion. The Wright brothers were singularly devoted to their aviation pursuits. They sacrificed personal relationships, financial stability, and physical well-being to achieve their goal. Their unwavering commitment to their dream is a testament to their passion and perseverance. They spent countless hours in their workshop, poring over blueprints, tinkering with engines, and constructing aircrafts. Their dedication to their craft was absolute. They were willing to risk everything, including their lives, to realize their dream of flight. Despite their father's concerns for their safety, the Wright brothers shared a unique bond forged in their shared passion for flight. They were more than just brothers. They were partners in innovation, pushing the boundaries of aviation together. They supported and inspired each other, their unwavering belief in their dream fueling their relentless pursuit of the sky. Their historic flight in 1910, where they shared the cockpit, symbolized the depth of their connection and their shared vision. This moment marked a significant milestone in aviation history, a testament to their unwavering belief in each other and their collective dream. The 1903 Wright Flyer, the iconic machine that forever altered the course of human history, met a tragic end. After its groundbreaking flights, a sudden gust of wind, a capricious force of nature, inflicted irreparable damage upon the aircraft. The physical artifact, a tangible symbol of human ingenuity and perseverance, was lost. However, the legacy of the Wright Flyer lives on, inspiring generations to come. Its impact extends far beyond its physical form, igniting the imagination and driving the relentless pursuit of innovation. The spirit of flight, embodied in the Wright brothers' groundbreaking achievement, continues to soar, propelling humanity towards new heights. Orville Wright's pursuit of aviation was a journey marked by both extraordinary triumphs and devastating tragedies. His unwavering dedication to pushing the boundaries of human flight often came at a steep cost. The fatal accident that claimed the life of Lieutenant Thomas Selfridge was a sobering reminder of the inherent risks involved in pioneering new frontiers. This tragic event underscored the perilous nature of early aviation. It highlighted the delicate balance between human ambition and the forces of nature. While the Wright brothers' achievements propelled humanity forward, their journey was paved with sacrifice and loss. The Wright brothers' groundbreaking achievement was initially met with skepticism and controversy. Many doubted their claims, dismissing their success as mere illusion. A particularly contentious dispute arose with the Smithsonian Institution, which initially misrepresented the significance of the Wright brothers' contribution to aviation history. This institutional oversight delayed the recognition they rightfully deserved. However, the Wright brothers' perseverance and the overwhelming evidence of their success ultimately prevailed. Through meticulous documentation, compelling photographs, and eyewitness accounts, they solidified their place in history. Their determination to set the record straight and their unwavering belief in their achievement ensured that their legacy would endure. As a symbol of the enduring legacy of the Wright brothers, a piece of the 1903 Wright Flyer accompanied Neil Armstrong on his historic mission to the moon. This poignant tribute connected the pioneers of flight to the next giant leap for humanity. Want to learn more fascinating stories about inventions, legends, and groundbreaking moments? Hit like, share with fellow enthusiasts, and follow for more thrilling dives into the world of flight.